Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clemente Gomez. I'm in the back of my house. Why I have the mask, why I have gloves, is because I'm in quarantine here in New York City. We're not supposed to be going out. And myself, I decided to stay at home. I live with my fiance and my fiance's mom, my mother-in-law. My mother-in-law, she's 84 years old. So I had decided to stay at home, to be at home for her. To make sure nothing is wrong. So I decided to start doing videos about what to do in your house. Like, as a photographer, what type of photos can you do at home that you can create and that you can just have some fun in this hard time right now. So I'm gonna take some photos of these sneakers right here. Yeah. I'm gonna be taking photos of the sneakers. I'm gonna find things around the backyard of the house where I can put the sneakers and take pictures of. It could be like a stair like that. It could be a stairs, or it could be the roof of the garage, or it could be anywhere. So you don't have to be going so far from your house. You can do it in the back of your house or something. That way it's safe. It's a little bit more safe. I'm wearing the mask because I don't know. Right now I'm kind of in a position that I'm gonna wear the mask no matter where I am. So not inside the house, of course, but if I'm outside, I'm gonna wear. So today this is what we're gonna do, and I cannot wait to show you what we're gonna do with these sneakers. I'm gonna be shooting with the Sony a7iii III with the 85 1.8, so it can give me a compress the background a little bit and go out good stuff. So see you for this, and I'm gonna record this with a GoPro so you guys can see all the behind the scene. All right, so like I say, I'm gonna use these sneakers. So let's see where I can put the sneakers so I can take pictures of the sneakers. It could be anywhere. So let's say I'm gonna take pictures of the sneakers. Look, you see that? I can take pictures of that right there, the top of the roof of the garage, right? If you can see, there's a lane or lighting, so I can put maybe half of the sneakers on light, with light or no light. You know, just play around with the lighting and to see what we can get. So we're just gonna place the sneakers over there in the top of the roof. So yeah, just play around with different type of things, you know what I'm saying? Like maybe it looks good, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. You never know. I think it's gonna look good. So all you gotta do is just try, you know? So now I have to change my setting first, because I was shooting the other day at nighttime. I have my ISO really high. So what I'm gonna be doing is, I don't know if you guys can see there, but I'm taking photos. Then I had to load my, kind of like that. You see that? That's beautiful. It gives kind of like a different type of look. Maybe I can take a picture like this. Guys, I'm just having fun, to be honest with you. This is not gonna be, oh my god, I'm gonna sell these photos now to Nike for $4,000. But just to have some fun, you know, like things like this, you know. So you can see I'm creating something different, you know. Be creative at home now, guys. You got all the time of the world now to be creating photos, and why not, you know what I'm saying? I like that too right there. A little bit less light, and I'm good. Yeah, something different, you know. And then you can put the same sneaker now. Instead of we have a light, you can put it in a shadow, where you can have it like in the corner here. You see? Let me take a photo from this corner here. I'm just giving different type of look, different type of backgrounds. Nice. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm taking photos of these niggas anywhere I can find. Nice. I'm gonna take one like this. Alright, so maybe you can take sneakers, put the sneakers like this place here. They had this thing here where I probably can put the sneakers in there. Like I can probably put a sneaker like this. We're gonna to play there. There you go. Maybe I can take a sneaker, picture of the sneaker like this. I'm already used to take pictures outside, so imagine be at home now, stuck at home. You know, I hate that. But it is what it is, you know. Maybe you can take a picture like that. Put the shoelace this way. I don't know. I'm playing around, you know. Yeah. I love taking pictures of products. I do a lot of products for like food photography, clothing. So I'm just gonna take a picture here like that. That's nice. Beautiful. Take a shot. I don't know, like maybe we can take pictures of those rocks there. I mean, it's rustic, right? Why not? Maybe you can cut them down. Guys, this is what things that I'm finding in the back of my house that I'm taking pictures of. So it doesn't have to be like 100% perfect. As long as you have a good lighting, a good composition, you're good to go. Nice. So yeah, I mean, I'm playing with everything that I see around the house. I mean, I can take pictures anywhere. I already take pictures, a bunch of photos there, so let's look for something else. Maybe I can put it in there with the white backdrop. I'm probably gonna take it here, take a picture there. Why not? Give it a try, you know? You never know. You know what? That's kind of nice. It's kind of different. Yeah, maybe we can put the sneakers over there, on top over here. Yeah, you know. And then later on, I increase my shadows. Then you can't even get even closer like this. Yeah, I like to have my sports shot a little bit under. I don't like to have sometimes way too much light and what I'm taking pictures of. This one, I think this one is a little bit better. Yeah, that one's a lot better. So yeah, that's a lot better. You see that? And who's gonna say I take a picture inside of air conditioning? You can't even see the air conditioning. You just have to look for different composition where you can take the photos of. So maybe you can put let me see what I have in the back here. I don't know, maybe something dirty here like this. It will work, I don't know. Let's give it a try, you know? I'll give you a texture, this thing here. It's kind of nice. Yeah, that's nice right there. That's a nice shot. What? Yeah. Yeah, guys, just play around with different things that you can find at home, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, why not? Take a shot there. Yeah. Looking for a different angle, different composition. Nice. Yeah, a little bit, tiny more light. Nice. I mean, guys, yeah, you can even put it here. And a step. So I found this thing here outside the house by the window, and I'm like, why not put a sneaker there? You know, that's a good idea. And then take a shot from different angle. Could take a shot from here. I could take a shot from the front. I'm probably gonna take a shot from the top. You know, look for different composition, guys. Well, it's all about being creative, you know. So they have those things in the wall. Why not, you know? So I'm like, why not take a picture here? You know what I'm saying? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna look for an angle like this. You see? Take a photo and then later on retouch it. It's hard, guys. In place, you know. Nice, 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 nice. I like that. Okay, you could do the stairs here. You can put it there, and then shoot through the fence. Like this, maybe like that. Yeah, why not? Maybe you can have the fit. Yeah, that's a nice shot right there. What? Look what I did there. Look, guys. I put the. Let me show you. I put the fence to give like a kind of like something in the ground. You could do that with photography because they give like a nice touch to the photo. So you can do it. You can take it like that. You can even go here a little bit more down and a little bit more, so you can compress more the fence. Take the shot. There you got yourself a nice photo. I like to look for lanes. If I see something on the floor, like right now, I see a lane. You see that? Because of the sun is coming. When the sun is coming through this way, you see like a lane or lighting, right? Maybe you can put the sneakers on the floor. Maybe you can put the sneaker on the floor right here. We have our lighting. Something like that, you know what I'm saying? And then go down and take a shot. Oh, that's gonna look beautiful already. You see what I'm saying? Boom. You see? You have like a backlight that is coming from the sun from that way, right? So I wanted to do something here. Let's see if I can maybe put the sneakers in here. You see that? There you go. Yeah, why not? I mean, gotta do what I do, right? Alright, so you see, I had these plants here. I don't want this in the photo. So before I take the shot, I'm just gonna move it. Gonna move everything. Alright, so I'm just gonna put it on the back how it was before. So, yeah, take the shot. There you go. Guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys like what I did today in this video. I was taking pictures around the house, in the back of the house, in the front of the house, with these sneakers here. This is my fiance's sneakers, so it's taking pictures outside and, you know, having a relaxed time a little bit. We cannot be going out, so it is what it is. Guys, if you have any questions about photography, please subscribe to the channel. Leave me a like, leave me a comment in this video. Like I said, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, all that good stuff. And to all the photographers out there, God bless you all, man. I feel your pain right now because we all going through the same thing right now. So God bless you all, man. If you guys have any questions or anything, please leave me a comment, send me a DM on Instagram or anything like that. And thank you for watching this video. God bless you all and keep your head up. Keep your head up, all right? We're gonna go through this. Keep your head up, guys. See you. Almost hit myself with the shoes.